Ekidnas! Today, we're going to learn how to make dragon mouth origami. To make your dragon mouth, you'll need a square of paper, some glue, some googly eyes, and a pair of scissors. Start with the colored side of your paper facing up, and then fold your paper in half. Make sure you line up those corners nice and neatly, and then press down and make a nice flat fold, and then unfold your paper. Good job, Spike! And now we're going to fold our paper in the other direction. And then you can take just the top layer of your paper and fold it in half this way. And now flip your model over so the white side is facing up. Yes, Spike, we are going to do the same thing on this side. So fold just the top layer in half like this. Now we're going to unfold that fold we just made and fold the top corner to this crease. Make sure you fold both layers. And now make the same fold on the bottom corner. Just like that. And now we're going to fold the remaining two corners to that crease. The top corner and the bottom corner. And when you're done, you can fold your model in half lengthways, just like this. And now we'll take our pair of scissors and make a tiny cut on the center line. And then make a thin fold on this edge. This is going to be the lips of the dragon. And repeat the same thing on this side. And then flip your model over and repeat the same thing on the back. Now let's add some eyes to our dragon. I'm going to put a little dot of glue where I want the eye to go. I'm going to use a googly eye to pick up a bit of glue and then stick that eye to the back. And then I stick an eye to the front, line them up as neatly as I can, and then I'm done. At least I'm almost done. So now we just open the mouth and fold it into place. And there you have it, a dragon mouth. You can make these puppets in all kinds of colors. How did you go, Spike? Wow, that's a great dragon mouth, Spike. Thanks for crafting with us today. See you next time.